again all of you in Vedika's tutorial. So today we are going to talk about a very easy but complicated topic, that is HCF. Yes, from the topic you all have learned that today we are going to talk about the topic HCF, highest common factor. LCM is so easy, okay, but HCF, we all children have a fear about solving the questions related to HCF. But beta, in this video I'm going to explain you the three methods to find the HCF. You can easily find the HCF related to any of the numbers if you know all the three methods. In rest of the video, actually what happened, they tell you how to find the HCF, but there's only one way or two way. But in this video, you are lucky one that you are getting three ways, three different methods to find the HCF. Okay. So if you are watching my video for the first time, kindly like and subscribe my channel Vedika's tutorial. For new updates and notification, please press the bell icon. Stay tuned to my channel and please be up to the end to know all the three steps. Okay, please watch the full video to learn the three steps to find the HCF, three methods to find the HCF. So let's quickly get started. Okay, so HCF is usually called as highest common factor. Okay, HCF is usually called as highest common factor. So the first way, first method, method 1, okay, method 1 which we are going to talk is prime factorization. Okay, first method is prime factorization. With the help of prime factorization, we can find the HCF of any number. Okay, so let's take an example, 72, 64 and 48. Here is a question in front of you. Okay, a number. So first of all we have to find its prime factorization. So what is the step? Okay, what is the step to find the prime factorization? It is very easy. If you have not watched my prime factorization video, kindly go and see how to find the prime factorization. So see how simple it is. First of all, we have to find prime. Prime itself says that it is based on the prime number. So we can only use prime number over here. Okay? Prime means prime number. So we can only use the prime number. See, when we divide it with and usually we have to select the smallest prime number. So here 2 is the smallest prime number. When we divide it, we can divide it with 36. Okay. Now again let's take 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Very nice. Now again we have to divide it with 2. 18 divided by 2, 9. And now as it is 9, we all know that 9 cannot be divided by 2 exactly. So we can opt the second prime number, that is 3. 3 into 3, 9 and 3, 1. Okay. So this is the prime factorization of our number 72. So we can write it like 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 from all the sides. Okay. Into 3 into 3. This is the prime factorization of our number 72. Let's see the second number, that is 64. Okay, 64. Again we have to select the smallest prime number, that is 2. 32, 16. Then again we have to divide it with 2, that is 8. Okay. Then again we can divide 8 with 2, that is 4, and now 4 again we can divide it with 2, that is 2. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is the prime factorization of 64. Okay. So we can write it like this. 6 times 2 makes 64. Now the third number is 48. You all are getting my point? So easy and quick method. Okay. So now let's see the third number, that is 48. What is the prime factorization of 48? Again 2, 24. When we divide 48 with 2, it is 24. Now again 24 divided by 2, 12. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. So the prime factorization of 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now as you can see, I have written the prime factorization of all the 3 numbers together. Why together? Now here is our second step. First step, we have find the prime factorization of each number individually. Now we have to find the common factors among all. Okay. So what are the common factors? It's 2 in all. So we have to circle like this. Yes. This 2 is common in all the 3 numbers. Now again there is a 2 which is common in all the 3 numbers. Now we can see that again there is one more 2 which is common in all the 3 numbers. Now there is 3. Okay. But in the second number 64 there is no 3. Okay, so we cannot take it that this 3 and this 3 as common. The number should be common in all the 3 numbers. So what we have seen that only 2 into 2 into 2 is common. So let's multiply all the common factor. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2 which is equals to 8. So HCF of the given number is 8. So easy. HCF of the given number is 8. And here we have applied the prime factorization method. Okay. Let's see what is the second method to find the HCF. Okay. Let's see what is the second method. Second method is dividing by the common factor. Division by the common factor. Method 2 is division by common factor. Division by common factor. So here also we can take a number like 20 and we can take 28 and 36. Okay, here what we are observing that there are 3 numbers. Okay, now we have to divide all the given 3 number with its common factor. Now what is the common factor? Common factor is something which can divide all the given number. Here I am talking about only 3 numbers. Okay, we can take 4 numbers also, 5 number also. So first step is always we need to see which is the smallest number which can divide all the 3 number. So as you can see that the given number is even number. All the 3 number are even. So we can go with 2. Okay, that is 20 divided by 2, 10. 28 divided by 2, 14, and 36 divided by 2, 18. Fine. Now again all the 3 are even here. 10 divided by 2, 5, 14 divided by 2, 7, 18 divided by 2, 9. So 5, 7, 9. Is there any common factor of all the 3 numbers? No. At least there should be 2 numbers which is having common factor to get divided. But here there is no common factor of all the 3 given numbers. So the HCF is only 2 into 2 which is equal to 4. The HCF of the given number 20, 28 and 36 is 4. Fine. So this is our second method, that is common factor. So easy children. First is prime factorization, second is division by common factor, and the third one is division by long division. Okay. To find the HCF with long division method. Long division method. This is our method 3, that is long division method. Let's take a example, small example, that is 32 and 8. Okay, 32 and 8. So here we have to divide the greater number with the smallest one. How? When we divide 32 with 8, this is the process of long division. There should be a remainder, there should be a quotient, there should be a dividend, and there should be a divisor. All the 4 terms. Now 8 into 4, 32. So here our remainder is 0. Hence our remainder is 0. This is the result. So what is the this is the result. This part should be the result. So here the HCF is 8. 8 is the HCF, highest common factor. 8 has divided 32 exactly. Okay. Let's take one more example, that is one little 289 and 391. Okay, 289 and 391. So when we divide the greater number, that is 391, with the smallest one, that is 289. Here we have to divide the smallest. Okay, here we have to divide the greatest with the smallest. So let's divide it with 1. When we divide it with 1, what we get? Here we have to do the subtraction. 11 minus 9, 2. Again there is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. And 3 minus 2, 1. The result is 102. Now again let's divide 289 with the remainder. Here we have to divide the divisor. Here the divisor becomes the dividend. यहाँ पर क्या होता है? The divisor becomes the dividend. So we have to divide 289 with 102. And when we multiply 102 into 2, that is equal to 204. Okay? Now let's again do the subtraction. 9 minus 4, 5. Here it is 8. And 2 minus 2, 0. Okay? Now let's again divide 85 with 102. As 102 now become the dividend. 85 into 1, 85. 12 minus 5, 7. 9 minus 8, 1. Okay? Now here 17 is the remainder. Now take 85 as the dividend. 17 into 5, which is equal to 85. Our remainder is 0. So as we get the 0 remainder by dividing from what? By dividing from 17. So here 17 is our HCF. Very easy, isn't it? So easy. All the 3 ways are so easy. So kindly repeat the video, see the video again. All your doubts will be clear. Okay? So let's do some word problems related to HCF. Here is an example written in the board. The question is, find the greatest number that will divide 79, 117 and 59. Okay, these 3 numbers should be divided, leaving the remainder 7, 9 and 11. Leaving the remainder 7, 9 and 11. So here the word greatest has been used. Greatest means highest. So from the question we can assume that we have to find the HCF over here. So we have to find that number which will divide this one, but there should be a remainder 7, 9 and 11 respectively. When the number divides 79, the remainder will be 7. When the number divides 117, the remainder will be 9. And when the number divides 59, the remainder will be 11. So see how. So first step is, these are the 3 numbers which is going to be divided. Okay. And what are the rest of the 3 remainders? That is 7, 9 and 11. We have to do nothing, just do the subtraction. This is 9 minus 1, 8, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. This is again 8 and this is 0, 108 and this is 2 and 7. 72, 108 and 48. So we get this 3 number. Okay, we get this 3 number. Of course, this should be the remainder now after dividing. So we have first subtracted the remainder. Now these are the numbers, that is 72, 108 and 48. Now the step is we have to find the HCF of these numbers. We can apply any of the method over here. That is, let's take the common division method. 36, 2 into 5, 54 and this is 24. Okay, now again we can divide it with 2. That is 36 divided by 2, 18, 54 divided by 2, 27 and 24 divided by 2, 12. Okay. Now here we can see that we can take 3 as a common case. 27 can be divided by 3 also. 3 in this is 6, this is 9, this is 4. Now there is no common factor. So this is the result, 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. That is 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 12 is our result. That is, we can say that 12 is the greatest number that will divide the given number, leaving the remainder respectively. Okay. So in this way we can solve the questions, the word problems related to HCF. More questions of HCF has been solved in my next video, that is LCM also. Okay, combinedly some question has been solved. Please see that video to clear all your doubts regarding the word problems. And again, please like and subscribe my channel Vedika's Tutorial for more updates. Thank you. Stay tuned. Stay connected.